Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Perun. I hope that you're all doing great. In today's video, we're gonna be reacting to some more live performances of Genshin Impact's music. The previous one that we reacted to was amazing. I loved it. You guys seem to like it as well. So we're gonna be reacting to this one. This one is called Sounds of Liyue. I'm really sorry if I pronounce it wrong, but yeah, this is basically behind the scenes, so you can see the whole orchestra and how it was recorded, and I'm gonna be breaking it down for you guys from more of a music producer's perspective, some of my opinions, some of my takes on these, and yeah, I'm really excited to check this one out. If you want to see more videos like these, obviously click the link to the playlist in the description or in the pinned comment, or you can check out the channel if you'd like to. And yeah, if you want to support the channel, additionally, you can check out my Patreon, where I upload full and uncut reactions to stuff like Attack on Titan, Demon Slayer, and any other anime that I'm watching at the time. And I just want to say thank you very much to the people that are already supporting the channel. And yeah, let's get into it and react to this. And yeah, let's get into it and react to this Genshin Impact OST. Alright, so here it comes. Alright, so we usually got like the whole, you know, orchestral whole. Okay. I think this is the main theme that you hear in the game. I played a little bit of Genshin Impact, like I think I'm level 3 or something like that, but I've heard this song. I believe I've heard this. So you can see we're starting with, you know, all the bow instruments, like the violins, the cellos. We got a piano in there now. Okay, we've got a lot more stuff that's going on. I really love the rhythm. Really scattered. We got the xylophone doing its thing, okay. Ooh, okay, so it kind of sounds like there was maybe 2 xylophones. Because it sounds like one is playing a lower pitch, one is playing a higher pitch. This instrument. Right, we saw that instrument in the previous video as well. I really love the sound of this. It's almost like a harp, I guess you would say. Wow, okay, so we got like the flutes coming in, slowly rising in. There's a lot of stuff going on here. It's really amazing to see like all the instruments in one area. You can even see the drums on the left. They're being played very quietly though. Yeah, I can barely hear it. If I didn't see that there's a drummer there, I would never hear it, you know? We got the brass instruments in there as well. Not a lot of brass instruments. We even got a harp. Yeah. Wow, we got all the instruments. Amazing. I guess these are people that are judging the performance. Ooh, oh wow. And the flute just taking over the melody here, really standing out. Where's the flutes? I don't... Oh, okay, I see the flutes. They're up front. There's multiple flutes. Very smooth, very peaceful, but at the same time, you can hear that it's, you know, building up here. You could hear that the trumpet was coming in through there. Not all of the instruments can play at the same time because it would sound just like, you know, a wall of sound, right? But you can hear those instruments coming in and out or playing slight parts in this play. You can see how synchronized they are. That looks really cool. I never know what these things mean, man. I'm a music producer, but I've never done orchestral school, but I don't know what this means. I wish I knew. Woo! That's almost like a banjo sound to this. I don't really know the names of these like oriental instruments. I'm really bad with those. So you can see like the piano is not playing right now, but it was playing before. It's gonna come in. Woo! We really got those crashes there. So far, like I said, it's very smooth, but it feels like it's building and then never going away, you know? It's almost like an endless journey or something. Woo! Oh no, I thought it was gonna be a hit there, but it wasn't. Ooh, okay. You can see the microphone there, the C414 classic microphone. Very beautiful. I love it. It's amazing. One of the most like diverse condenser microphones. Whoa! Before you continue, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe. Only about 1% of the people watching these videos are subscribed. Also check out my Twitch and Discord down in the description. Bye! I'm building up. And then giving space to that flute. It's really again the spotlights. Ooh, and the trumpets. Oh, okay. I love what they're doing there. So they're doing the tum tum hit, right? And then they're giving like the spotlight to each instrument. So we had the flute, then we had the trumpets. Now we have this oriental instrument. Boom boom. And it goes to trumpets. Boom boom. Oh, I love it. It's got like 2 flutes. Ooh, okay, that kind of almost gave me chills, that part. That was super smooth. Oh, I need to re-listen to that. Wow, that is really cool. Oh? I guess they're changing songs? Interesting. So you got another song. This is Quince Village. See, that one was more like adventure. There was more going on, kind of like you're going on an adventure, more energetic. This one's more peaceful. You know, you're just chilling in your village or something. But yeah, very smooth, very long notes. Very interesting. Very long notes on the flutes, but very short notes on the cellos and on the violins. You can see they're just plucking it. Interesting. Oh, never mind. Now we have the long notes from the violins on the left. Yeah. Boom. Just a very peaceful sounding soundtrack, this one. And again, this is the same guy with the flutes. Seems like he's the main character. Dope outfit as well. Ooh, going into the solo of the pianist. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh, the piano and the flute are playing call and response. Ah! So you can hear the piano, and then the flute answers, and then piano answers. Oh, I love it. I love it. Wow, I think I like this one more than the previous two one. This one was just very peaceful, and that call and response just, ooh, gotta love it. Alright guys, so there we had it. We had the music, the orchestral music for Genshin Impact. Honestly, amazing. I already know the music in Genshin Impact is amazing because we reacted to that previous video. You can click on it here and here for more of those videos. And yeah, if you guys want to see me do more of these music breakdowns for OSTs, let me know in the comments. And again, it was just a pleasure to listen to this. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, check out my other YouTube channels, Twitch, Discord, and see you in the next one.